Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. So I just received that. I've been looking for a bunch of tape drives to do some big comparison on the Oric, and I finally received that one, which I've been waiting for a while. And if I'm not mistaken, it should be an Ingersoll tape drive. So let's see. I was afraid that it was just some flimsy paper, but there is an actual box to protect. Let's see. And there we have it, Ingersoll Computer Program Data Recorder XK696, made in Korea, suitable for use with most microcomputers. Save indicator, signal indicator, monitor level control, load level control, post key, queue and review. Let's see what's inside. And inside we have nothing. What happened? Important. Save this box and inner packing. If return of this merchandise for service reasons should ever be necessary, the original packing must be included intact to avoid damage while in transit. Well, it definitely did not get damaged in transit. Maybe because I already had it, and yeah, it was just for a few bucks on eBay, so does not hurt to have all the packaging. So there we have it. Load level, monitor level. It's very nice to be able to monitor while loading, so you can actually know when things happen. Because on most normal tape drive, when you have something plugged in the output, it disables the internal internal speaker. On that one, that's not the case. And what's nice, it has a standard cable, so not a problem like many which had US or British keys. Here you can easily use whatever you want. And yeah. I tried it, it was working. It actually managed to load some of the Oric game which refused to load with Binatone. And let's see. Not the best of the box, but it's working. And this is officially not an unboxing, but a reboxing. There you go. Have a good evening. Bye bye.